Okay, let's be honest with each other. Do you question your life decisions every time that you walk into your closet? Do you wish just for once that you could have confidence instead of frustration every single morning when you're like, oh my gosh, I'm running late. I have no idea where this is. I don't know if this fits. What the heck even is this? Instead of all of that, you can have peace when you walk into your closet. What's up, family? Welcome to Kingdom Organized Mentality. My name is Breanna, and if you're new here, what we do is help overwhelmed minds overcome the flight and freeze response by giving you realistic methods to improve your space. And in today's video, we are diving into the dreaded closet. Yes, I know. My closet has been a hot mess for a long time, and we are finally organizing it. I'm gonna give you realistic tips and tools to help you clean out your closet, make it an inviting space, and make it a space that does not give you anxiety every time that you walk in. Yes, so let's dive right in. Tip number 1, visualize the end in mind. Yes, I know. We talk about visualization a lot here on my channel because it's important. Now, even if you can only get the feeling that you want, instead of confusion, you have confidence. Instead of chaos, you have joy. And that is where the victory is at. The war is always won before the battle begins. Why? Because you have the end in mind. And the hardest war to win is normally the one in your mind. And so if you can get this piece, the next couple of steps when you're putting in the actual hard work, it'll be a lot easier. Tip number 2, declutter. Now, if you have the idea that I'm gonna ask you to pull everything out, scratch that idea. I don't like that method because it gives me anxiety, and that's not a good thing to have when you're trying to be productive. Now, what you can do is go through your clothes, see what you haven't worn in the past 6 months, what doesn't actually fit, or if it's 20 years old and you don't wear it anymore, please get rid of it. Get rid of it, okay? Now there's an easy way to do this. If you know that all of those categories, you're just gonna give it away, then bring with you a bag for giveaway as you're literally walking through your closet or as you're combing through your clothes. Have a bag and be like, oh, this shirt I haven't worn in 10 years, chunk, giveaway. If you know that those clothes are not good for giveaway, have a bag right outside your closet for trash. Like if the shirt has a hole in it or a giant stain from your spaghetti, you can throw it away, right? And you can do this with every single item in your closet, whether it's a belt, whether it's shoes, a hat, purse, obviously shirts. Anything like that that is gently used and worn, you can give it away to any type of charity that you like to use. Tip number 3, work on the shoes. Yes, this is going to be a easier part of the process when you're organizing because shoes will be able to go a little bit quicker. You can line them up. If you have a shoe rack, great. If not, hit up the Dollar Tree and maybe get one because the vertical space is going to help give you back that floor space. So you want to use as much vertical space as possible. Here you'll see that my husband has his very nice one that I got for him because I'm awesome. But mine need a little bit of love. So you can go to the Dollar Tree and you can get that. It does not have to be something as massive as what my husband has. If that's what you prefer, go for it. Do you, honey bunches of oats. Or you can just hit up the Dollar Tree and get a nice little shoe rack. Now, if you do keep shoe boxes, I would encourage you to turn the label out so that you can read it and know what's in there. And with doing the shoes first, this does give you momentum to push forward into the next couple of steps. Step number 4, work on the pants. In the past couple of houses, I've had this really cool shelf thingy, and I've just used it for pants because I don't have to have hangers. I don't have to mess with that. I don't have to worry about them falling on the floor. As long as they're just folded and stuck in there, we're good to go. And so if you have one of these, go ahead and utilize it. If not, I found this really cool hanger and you can check it out. It hangs up multiple pairs of pants. It even collapses for more space, and you can either choose to hang it up on both hangers or just collapse it into one, and it hangs up several pairs of pants at one time. So find the solution that works for you and knock that one out. Tip number 5, have storage bins in place. This is a great way to consolidate like items and keep them hidden, because again, the brain loves clarity. The brain loves to have things in their home because it makes it easier when you're trying to process, where is that purse that I put? Oh yeah, let me check the purse bin. Boom, there it is. Or wait a minute, where did I put that hat at? Oh yeah, it's in my hat bin. Got it. This is also a great time to work on any belts, scarves. You can get a command hook and hang up your belts, and it can be hidden behind your clothes. And it's not taking up a bunch of space, but it's using the space that you have wisely. Another great thing to help with storage is to reuse and repurpose any shoe boxes or boxes that you have. For example, I reuse this cologne box for my husband's ties, and I just roll them up and put them in there, but it kind of looks neat and nice up on the shelf, but it's actually functional. Tip number 6, let's organize those shirts, y'all. Wow, that was country. Okay. Personally, I do enjoy color coding my shirts because it just gives such a satisfactory feeling when you walk in and you see the seamless colors and the lines. This helps your brain not become so overwhelmed as you're trying to pick out your clothes and get ready for the day. And so I really encourage color coding. It just makes things a lot easier. Thanks for checking out my video. If you found value in this video or it gave you some encouragement or inspiration, give it a thumbs up. This lets me know what you want to see more of. Also, if you saw anything that you love and you want to use to update your closet, links are below in the description. And as always, I love you and I will see you in the next video. Bye, fam.